What is up? What is caking, my beautiful people? This is That's back with another tutorial, guys. And please excuse my voice. I got a little razzle dazzle to it because I am currently getting over a cold, but we're good. We're all good, guys. But today we are going to be doing a Hennessy and strawberry cake, guys. So please stay tuned. And also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, and that notification bell so you do not miss a video. So as always, guys, we're going to be using our white chocolate candy melt by Wilton, and we're going to put that in our handy dandy pink microwavable bowl. And to that, I just like to add in some vegetable oil just to keep the consistency nice and smooth, and also to prevent the white chocolate candy melt from burning. As I mentioned in my previous videos, whenever I'm dealing with candy melts, they tend to burn sometimes. So what I like to do is add in that vegetable oil just to coat the chocolates to prevent them from burning. And then we're just going to mix it in until we get all of those lumps, bumps, and chunks out of our chocolate, guys, so we can have it nice and smooth and ready to go for dipping. So first thing is first, guys. So after we put in our skewer or your toothpick, whatever you choose to use, whatever works best for you guys, before we proceed to dipping, make sure we pull that afro back, guys, like I am doing, as you just seen me do. Pull the afro back, y'all, but make sure that you do it very gently because we do not want to lose any edges. We want to make sure that we're still good. We don't want to lose no edges, y'all. So pull the afro back, but do it very, very gently, guys. And then dip it into the dip your strawberry into the chocolate. Make sure it's evenly coated. Tap off the excess chocolate, guys, and set it aside to dry. And yes, my arms are hairy, and no, I'm not shaving them, so don't come for me. But like I said before, pull the afro back. Make sure you do it gently so we do not lose our edges, sister girl, and just set it aside to dry. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky